How to turn off sync in Google Photos. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can turn off sync in Google Photos. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on my Google Photos, and right now we can see that currently the syncing is in progress, right? Currently 611 items are currently being synced. So how do we stop it? So click on the backup, all the photos over here, right? Just click on turn off sync and it'll turn off the sync like that, right? And now it's off. You can see right here, it has this little gray icon right next to the platform. It says right here that backup is off. So you can turn it on by clicking on the turn on backup button. And then over here, you can select one of the accounts. You can either select turn on backup or do not turn on backup. So it's as simple as that. If it's turned on, you can just simply come back over here, click on the backup option, and just simply click on the button right here that says turn off, and boom, it's turned off. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can turn off and on sync in Google Photos. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.